invoiced for standard orders as an Amazon seller. What's the difference? And I'm going to be showing you it right here so you can see on this page. We've got some standard orders and we have some invoiced orders. Invoiced orders are from big businesses. That's pretty much the difference. And the invoiced orders are usually net 30, net 45, or even net 60, meaning they purchase from you and you may not get the money until 60 days later. So we can actually go through it in depth. So Amazon says, what is pay by invoice? Amazon business customers who have access to pay by invoice have terms such as net 30 that determine when the invoices are due. So they can purchase from you, they can keep the item, they use it for 30 days, and then after 30 days, they have to pay you the funds. You don't get paid until 30 days later, right? So a standard order is just a regular customer, not a big business customer. They have to pay for it right away with their credit card, right? Invoiced order, they send Amazon an invoice. They don't have to pay for it right away. You don't get paid right away. And then even on the buyer side is how do you even get and enable this as a buyer? You have to have an Amazon business account. And it says Amazon will conduct a credit assessment and determine eligibility for pay by invoice. So keep that in mind at the end of the day. Now you can see that they do enable 30-day, 45-day, and 60-day. So you might not get paid right away in Amazon on business.amazon.com. They've been promoting this for a lot of business buyers. And how do you get it? How do these business buyers even get access to this? Well, there's something called Business Prime, and you can pay Amazon to get access to this. So all you're going to do is they pay Amazon $500 a year, and then they get access to net 45, which is pretty darn good if you're a small business and you want to have 45 days to pay back Amazon. Great for cash flow. And the thing about these businesses, I know as a seller, you're like, I don't want to wait 30 days. I don't want to wait 60 days. But these are big businesses, and they're probably going to be ordering from you over and over and over again and ordering in large quantities. So this is going to help your ROI. This is going to help you in the long term. If you scroll down, the enterprise sellers get 60-day. So net 60, they pay Amazon and they don't have to pay you, or they invoice Amazon. They don't have to pay you or pay Amazon 60 days later. But guess what? They're paying Amazon $10,000 a year. So you know they've got a lot of money. They're going to be reordering. This is just standard operating procedure. Amazon's happy. You should be happy long-term because you're going to have a long-term business buyer. So it's a win-win all around. So definitely have business pricing if you don't already have it. So that way businesses are going to be more likely to order from you on Amazon. But at least you know what's the difference between a standard order and an invoiced order. At the end of the day, there's a big difference, and now you know. And that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content. It's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, just contact us right in the link below. We're EHP Consulting Group, and we specialize in everything Amazon. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.